Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change Volkswagen Tiguan oil. This guide will help you understand each step, from preparing your vehicle to adding fresh lubricant. You'll learn about gathering the right tools, safely draining the old oil, replacing the filter, and finally, refilling with new oil. Let's get started with the preparation. Begin by safely lifting your Tiguan and placing it on jack stands. Position your drain pan beneath the oil pan. Using the correct wrench, carefully remove the drain plug. Allow ample time for all the old oil to completely drain out. Once empty, replace the drain plug with a new crush washer and tighten it to specification. Next, locate the oil filter housing, usually on top of the engine. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully unscrew it. Remove the old filter element and replace the O-rings on the housing cap, lubricating them with a small amount of new oil. Insert the new filter element and screw the housing back into place, tightening it properly. Now it's time to add the new engine oil. Consult your owner's manual for the correct oil type and capacity, typically around 5 to 6 quarts. Pour the new oil into the filler cap. Start the engine for a few minutes, then turn it off and check the oil level with the dipstick. Top up if needed and check for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.